What's up, everybody? Bill here. We're going to do a quick product review. Cool? So we got something here I've never had before. It's 7-Up Zero Sugar Tropical Soda. Okay, I got this in like a 17 pack for like 10 bucks or something like that. So you get a whole bunch for the money. So let me make double sure on that. Hang on. All right, it's a 12 pack for like 10 bucks pretty much. Okay. So just a little over $1 each. That's what the can looks like. Okay. It's got 0 calories. Okay. And 2% sodium. 0 sugars. Blah blah blah. Just really, you know. Not very many calories, no calories. So hey, it's kind of guilt free. Let's check it out. Aroma. Yeah, kind of has a little kind of that tropical fruit punch kind of aroma. Let's see what it looks like in the glass here real quick. It's kind of got a magenta-ish, kind of goldish magenta looking color. Yeah, you can smell the little bit of tropical. I'm gonna take the first drink out of the can though. Cheers. Really good. Typical carbonation like 7-Up has. Very good carbonation. That's actually pretty tasty. Oh man, not bad. Ooh, yeah, has that carbonation, that 7-Up kind of mouthfeel. Actually, that's very good. The tropical fruit flavors are not overpowering it. Wow. Very, very good, actually. That's very tasty. The sweetness is perfect. It's almost got a floralness to it also. I guess I'd say maybe like strawberry-ish kind of. Yeah, like I'd say it's almost like a strawberry or some kind of mixed berry. Very good. I'm glad I grabbed it. I was looking for something a little different than what I usually drink, my liquid deaths. And I'm a fan of 7-Up. I've always have been. It's my favorite like mainstream soda pop. It's actually to me like medicine. I'll drink 7-Up like if I come down with the flu or a cold or something. It's like part of my deal. But this is a really good version of it, and it's guilt free. One more sip and we'll wrap it up. Very refreshing, crisp. Flavor wise, it's as good if not better than regular 7-Up. Very, very impressed. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. For what it is, a diet soda, I think it's 5 stars. I think they nailed it. 7-Up is the bomb when it comes to like mainstream soda pop. So 5 stars, double thumbs up. If you see this stuff, check it out. It's pretty well priced as well. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. And get you some of this 7-Up Zero Sugar. Very good burps too. Obviously tropical. So have a good day. We'll catch you later. See ya.